శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Suka Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Srimannarayanas glory to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Srimannarayana is pervaded in all the entities all over the Brahmandam. O Narada, in every body, just above the navel, there is a place. In the end of that place, that part is known as Hrudayam. In that Hrudayam, Srimannarayana makes his presence in every entity. That Srimannarayana himself also regarded as Pranam. O Narada, Srimannarayana pervaded all over the bodies, not only within the bodies but externally also. He is all over, and beyond this Brahmandam he is pervaded. O Narada, such Srimannarayana is the one who gives moksham, amrutam, kshemam, abhayam. For all these things he is the master, and he is only the one who can give moksham. All the worlds are the parts of his effulgence. Padastrayah bahischa asan aprajanam ya ashramaha. This entire Prakriti Mandalam is one part of the entire Paramatma's Vibhuti. Other three parts are known as Nitya Vibhuti, which is beyond this Prakriti Mandalam. O Narada, that Nitya Vibhuti is meant for who does not come back to the cycle of birth and death. And that Nitya Vibhuti, those who are there in that Nitya Vibhuti are blessed with eternal bliss. Whereas in this Prakriti Mandalam, Samsara Mandalam, all the souls who are there in this Prakriti Mandalam are known as Baddhas. That means they will be going through the cycle of birth and death. Whereas those who are in Nitya Vibhuti, they are known as Nityas, they are known as Muktas, and they would not have any kind of touch with Rajogunam, and sins would not taint him, sins would not reach them, and there is no old age for them. There are no any kind of hungry and thirsty to them, and there is no grief to them. And whoever is there in that Nitya Vibhuti, whatever they just do the sankalpam, that happens. That is what the greatness of Nitya Vibhuti, which is the three parts of the entire Vibhuti of Paramatma. And other one part is Prakriti, that is Leela Vibhuti. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining the glory of Srimannarayana to Narada Maharshi. The same thing is explained by Sri Sukha Yogindra to Parikshit Narendra. The same thing is discoursed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.